Morning, class 11th. Now today I will explain the XOR gate. Okay, it is another very important gate. Okay, please pay attention with this one. So it is a combination of all three fundamental gates. All of you know about the fundamental gates, and or not. These are called what? Fundamental gates. So exclusive or XOR gate is a combination of what? All the fundamental gates. So what is the sign of this one? Look here, this is the sign of this one. Okay, first one this, then this is the OR, this one, this is the sign of the XOR gate. So very easy, not very tough. My dear, what is the function, what is the sign of this one? Plus and circle it. This is the sign of the XOR gate. So how it works? This is the main things here, how it works. So my dear, when it will receive the signals, it can receive two or more than two input signals. Okay, two and more than two, but return only one. Okay, when it will return one and when it will return zero, this is a matter here. So look, pay attention here. Suppose 0 0, both numbers are 0, it will return 0. Means what is the logic behind that? If number of combination of inputs, look here, how many in this one, in this input sides, you see how many ones here, how many ones you find out in input combination, you find out या input patterns में आपको पता लगाना how many ones, कितने one हैं. If number of ones are odd, clear? Look here, in this one 0 and 1, how many ones in this two one? Only one. So one is what? Odd. So if number of in input combination, if number of ones are odd, then it will return 1. Otherwise 0. Means agar number of ones even hai, then it will return 0. So you see here once again. Look here, 1 0. Here what can you see here? Number of ones in this one, only one is here. Okay, so it will return 1 means what? Odd. So this one is returning 1. But look here, in this input combination, how many ones? 2 is what? Even. That's why it is returning 0. Look here, in this one was no one means 0 1. 0 is what? Even. That's why it is returning 0. So this is the logic for the XOR gate. If in input pattern number of ones are what? Odd, it will return 1, otherwise 0. So very simple. So be alert with the signs. So look here, this is the two input, this one for the two inputs, this one for the three inputs. Okay, so suppose A or B you are passing, so this is the sign, what it will return? A XOR B. Okay, X Y Z you are passing, A XOR Y dot Z passing. Okay, so my dear, you can also write this one. Okay, suppose how will you draw the logic circuit diagram with the gates, fundamental gates? This is just direct you have drawn. How will you draw with the fundamental gates? Okay, so take here, for two inputs I am telling here, A and B. Okay, so first A को not बनाएंगे and B को simple रखेंगे. In second one A को simple रखेंगे, B को not बनाएंगे, or attach with the AND. Okay, and again you attach with the AND. On all these one you pass in a OR gate. So what will be the output? This one A bar, you can see here, this get written what? A bar dot B, because this is A, here A bar. Okay, so A bar dot B. Here you see here A, this one is what? B bar. So A dot B bar. So this is OR gate. So A bar dot B, okay, plus A dot B bar. So this is the output of the this one. So you check it, this and this one equal or not. How can you check it here? Look here with the truth table. A B you take here 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. A XOR B में क्या होगा? If number of ones are odd, it will return 1. So ये आ गया. So now you check this one. A, take AB I have taken 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. A bar, because A bar is required here, na? So A bar and B bar also take here. So A bar means what? Reverse of A. B bar means what? Reverse of B. You can see here. So now find out A bar dot B. A bar dot B. So this is A bar or this is a B. So A bar and dot B means what? And lagana 0 1 0. And means what? If all are 0, all are 1, then it will return. Look here, 1 1 1 0 0. So now find out A dot B bar. A dot B bar is what? A dot this one is A. Look here, this one is A, this one is a B bar. So find out A dot B bar. Then what will you do? Then here, what can you do here? Now this result and this result apply on this one, A bar dot B and A dot B bar पे apply करेंगे OR gate. So OR gate means what? इन दोनों में कोई भी 1 होगा, 1 होगा. So look here, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So you can see here this output and this output both are same, means what you can say here, this circuit and this circuit both are returning same. So simply you can say A XOR B and same this one both are same, this one both are same. So now come on the next page. This is a XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR gate. XNOR gate is what? It is the reverse of the XOR gate. Reverse of means what? It is also combination of all the fundamental gates, but it is a complement reverse means जो output देगा XOR gate उसका reverse देगा. Okay, so XOR gate is a complement of the XOR gate. XNOR gate. This is XNOR gate is a complement of the XOR gate. Okay, so just reverse it करेगा means what? Here when number of ones will be here even. Look here, if number of ones even, it will return 1. If number of ones odd, return if number of ones even, it return ones. If number of ones odd, return 0. Look here, number of ones how many? 1, so 0. Look here, number of ones here 2 is even, so return 1. So this will work reverse of the XOR gate. Means if number of ones in input pattern is what? Even. Okay, it will return 1. और XOR में क्या था? Number of ones in input pattern odd, return 1. Here even. So same thing you will do. Same thing. You can see what is the sign of this one. This is the sign, only you will put 0 here, not sign here. Okay, so this is the XNOR gate. Same thing we have, which one we have done here? A dot A bar, this one for the with the help of gates, fundamental gates. This is a direct one. So same thing you can prove with the help of XOR gate. With the help of truth table, make here truth table A B. Find out this one, because why have what is the sign of this one? Dot and circle it. XOR plus circle it. This one is a dot, circle it. But you can also write A XOR B reverse. Okay, so that's why I have written here. And prove with the truth table. You can prove this one with the truth table. You can prove this one with the truth table. कि हाँ, both this one and this one are equal. This one means what? This one and how this one and this one equal. Okay, you prove it. So God bless you. Do it. God bless you. Do it. Try to solve this one. If any problem, you can call me. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.